Greetings, 8th grade language arts. We are having some students with missing assignments. Wanted to send you this video explanation of your last assignment where some of you have some missing elements and just explain what we're looking for, see if that would help you get that completed and turned in. So for the first part, it's dear time. You're going to read a text of your choice for 20 minutes. You may choose any genre of text, online or print. I know that some of you were choosing a Newsela article. Some of you pasted the link in there if that's what you read. You can choose from your home library and write the name of the book and the author, or you can choose from a selection from Epic Books or lots of other sources, as long as you paste in the name of the book that you read and the author or the link to the ebook that you chose. That will work out perfectly. So let's pretend that I read a book. Let's say that I read Anne of Green Gables by something of that nature. I'm just going to put in my book title, and of course I can underline the title of the book because that's always appropriate. Here. Ooh, there we go. And I've got my author there. So all they're looking for right there is just the name of the book and the author, or the text or article link that you went to for your e-journal. There is no new reading assignment for the literature portion of this. And then down here, there's a journal writing, free write. Write at least 10 sentences to reflect on this week. Put your writing here at the bullet point instead of in your e-journal. Now, one feature that I was suggesting to one of my friends was to basically use the speech to text option. And if I go up here and I go to tools, I can look for voice typing, and the little microphone pops over here for my voice typing. And remember, I want 10 sentences. So I'm going to click on and off the microphone to help it type for me. And I'm going to try to do a reflection of like an e-journal right here in this spot. As I sit here and reflect on remote learning, it makes me think of being on a deserted island. Of course, I'm clicking off the microphone because I ended that first sentence, and I'm going to put a punctuation mark, a period, and then I'm going to make a space and go right back to my microphone option, and I'm thinking or formulating my second sentence of my journal. I deeply miss my friends, and I feel lonely. Notice that it changed the word deeply to simply. I'm going to go ahead and leave that, but you could highlight it and type deeply in there if you wanted to change that to exactly the word that you were trying to go for. Again, I'm going to put in punctuation and make a space and go back to my microphone. I'm on sentence 3. Remember, I'm looking for 10 sentences. You do not have to use the voice to type option, this microphone option, but this is just a help to you if you're having trouble typing or having trouble getting started. Sometimes it helps you formulate your thoughts or get your thoughts gathered up and ready to get to paper. And since we have some people with missing assignments, I just wanted to give you some options to try to help you in this task so we can get these turned in. Okay, so you would just keep going until you hit your 10th sentence on that one. And then down here, there is no new writing assignment for narrative writing, but there is a grammar activity. It's Study Island NWEA Learning Pathway. Work on your next NWEA Pathway Study Island skill under conventions for 15 minutes. You can pick up where you left off next time. Next to the bullet point below, type the name of the skill you worked on today and your best score. If you are struggling with a skill and need help, record that here too. So I don't need my voice to text option on this, but let's pretend like the grammar skill that I worked on was commas in a sentence, and I scored a 67% on that. So I'm going to need some more work on that, obviously, but I'm just recording here for the sake of this assignment, the grammar topic that I did study in NWEA Learning Pathway Conventions, and my score, which was a 67% mastery. I hope that helps you see exactly what you need to fill in for your assignment, and that you could get this assignment turned in, as soon as possible so that Mrs. Derringer can help you out with the things that are to come. Thanks so much.